Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to hide your profile on Facebook. Make sure your Facebook app is updated. Open your Facebook, tap on profile, scroll down, tap on setting and privacy, tap on setting, scroll down, tap on how people can find you. Just change some settings. Who can send you friend request? Click on that one and activate friends of friends. Second, who can see your friend list? Click and activate only me. Scroll down, people with your email address, click on and activate no one. People with phone number, click on and activate no one. Now it's done. Your profile on Facebook is hidden. Thank you for watching this video and see you again.